Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and my second thrifting video. That day I went thrifting and I got me like a lot of pieces in a very amazingly cheap. I hope you guys like this project. I got this dress probably like $2 and I really love the fabric but not the material. The material is so hard to work with. I had a very hard time to just do tanks. I made it with the sleeves, but I end up taking the sleeve off because they were so ugly. My camera died while I'm taking the video, so I end up taking some of the videos by my phone, and then I decided not to put them in the video. This one, I love the fabric, I love the materials. I mean, honestly, anything about this piece. And this is my first time to use the serger. I got it like 2 weeks ago and I really love it. It's absolutely amazing. I did all the pants nice and clean. I wanted to make a design in the waistline or like the waist of the pants, but I end up making or just like using elastic. It came nice. I like it. It wasn't that easy, but it was nice. Tell me guys what do you think in the comments, and if you want to see more thrifting stuff or projects. And now let's see the results. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and that's it for today. I hope you like the outfits. Is it outfits? No, the pants and the tank. And tell me what you think. I would love to know. see you in the next video. Bye.